Good evening, friends. So I came home today and there were like 6 packages outside for me, and I don't remember doing this much online shopping. So I thought, Mark is sick. He's upstairs in bed. And I'm not saying that joyously, I'm just saying that normally this would be like our time together, but he is upstairs resting. Callie just went down for bed. So I thought I could do like a little mini unboxing here and talk to you a little about the giveaway that we have going on right now. So I'll also tell you where everything is from and what it is once I open it. So I have no idea where this is from. It is addressed to Mark, but that doesn't necessarily mean it isn't for me because we share an Amazon account. Anyway, while I'm cutting, the Fairy Tale family launched our very first giveaway today. Oh, this is a duplicate of a shirt that I ordered for Callie's birthday party. It says "Be kind." It's so much cuter than the one that I initially ordered from Amazon, but this is gonna have to go back because nobody needs 2 yellow "Be kind" shirts, and I thought I ordered it on Prime, and obviously I didn't, so I paid for this twice. Well, that's a little disappointing. If this is the same shirt, I'm not impressed. Not impressed with myself. I'm so scared that it is. I'm so scared that it is. Anyway, we launched our first ever giveaway. I'm working with FabFitFun. They have provided mini FabFitFun boxes, like starter boxes, for some of my audience members to try. This is more fun. With 2 to 3 full-size products, luxury products in them, and all you have to do is be subscribed to us on our email list and on our Facebook page. So that link is in the bio of our Instagram stories, and it is directly in Facebook below where the posts are. So the 7th grade teachers have decided that we're gonna do a Harry Potter theme for Halloween for our students. And I signed up to be Luna Lovegood, and I literally ordered this yesterday. I ordered this skirt. I don't know if I think this will fit. It's elastic. So when Luna gets on the train, she's in this like little pink pea coat, blue tights, Converse sneakers, and this skirt. So I also ordered a little pink like tweed blazer. And I honestly think that this little dinosaur print is so cute that I would continue to wear it. This would be so cute in Toy Story Land. In Disney World. It's definitely saving. And because it's elastic, I think it'll fit for a while, even though I'm in the middle of a weight loss journey. So that was from Amazon. It was like $14. Amazing. Amazing. Not something I purchased or had ordered to the house, but I did buy this for Callie today. Okay, let me put the tags away. Get in there. Look at this little skirt for Christmas. It was $8 at our local secondhand kid store called Trendy Tots. So darling. And it's wicked soft. You can't touch it, but it's wicked soft. So she got a skirt. I got a skirt. So something else that came for Callie today. My sister, sorry, our address is here. It's private. My sister got Callie this subscription service to a box called Radish for her birthday. And that finally came. And I opened it already because I was curious. It's so cute. It comes with this little masher. Also not sponsored at all. It comes with this little apron that says Radish on it. And then it comes with this little pouch. So it says Spooky Kitchen, and there's a little patch in here. I don't know how to do anything with this, but it's so cute. And Spooky Kitchen tells you that it comes with 3 different recipes that are themed to the season, a shopping list on the back, like ingredients for each recipe, and then what you need. It also comes with games. So the recipes, we always do a Halloween meal prep. For Halloween, like I do Adam's ribs and like witch's fingers, like I have for years. Also, this comes with Halloween jokes. Let me give you one. What do you call a witch that lives by the beach? Chelsea? No? A sandwich. I'm definitely using that in my Google Classroom tomorrow. Anyway, this tells you like exactly what you need to do for each recipe. So this one's called Boo-Nana Bread. And inside, it gives you like the ingredients step by step. Now it's written for kids. Like it's written, always wash your hands before cooking and make sure an adult is present. Like if you have a 7-year-old, they can do this by themselves. She's 4, Callie's 4. But the one so I think we're gonna try to make Boo-Nana Bread this weekend. They also have haunted hummus and pita chips. Cute, although I don't like to make my own hummus because I'm lazy. But the one I think we're going to make for sure is called Jack-O-Pot Pie. It's chicken pot pie with pumpkin faces cut into it. I don't know why I've never thought of this. How cute. How cute. And there's like knife safety rules on the back. This has like play a word game with parts of speech. It's like a Mad Libs for kitchens. And then it comes with these tabletop cards. I just think this is such a great idea. And it's basically what I'm trying to do with my week meal plans anyway, is like prep them and have a theme for them. But it comes all pre-done for you. So I don't know if Mallory just ordered this box or if it's a subscription, but I really like it. I really like it. So that is Radish. So cute. Cauldron crossword. It's just really well themed. I'm a sucker for a theme. If you don't know that about me, now you know. Okay, what else is here? Oh, my Latote is here. So also not an ad. I'm just sharing stuff that I like with you. Real casual. So I have been subscribed to Latote on and off for a couple of years now. When I don't want to pay for it or I don't need it, I will pause my membership, and you can kind of do that indefinitely, which is nice. But as I've been on this weight loss journey and I'm 50 pounds down, I have needed some clothing rentals. So people have been so generous to give me things, and I've been able to fit into a lot of stuff that like used to fit way back when and hadn't for a while. And I've bought a couple of pairs of pants, but overall I've been using Latote as my like supplemental clothing income. And I'm paying for that, and I believe it's something like $60-ish a month. And I'm paying for that, but it is still less than paying for like new clothes every month. So you can get, with your $60 per month, you can get as many boxes as you can possibly fit in. So like I do 3 items of clothing and 2 accessories. Now in theory, I could wear all of those on the same day, send it back next day, and get a new box a few days later. But I tend to do like once a week. So that's where we are, and it comes with this bag. Everything gets returned in the regular mail, totally for free. It's part of your subscription cost. And it always comes like really pretty. Here, let me show you. Like everything is always folded so neatly, and it comes wrapped in this tissue paper. And I love the inside color of the boxes. It's these details that I care about. So I got, this is like a little clothing haul. This little gray and black striped sweater, which might be a little big, but that's okay. And it has these bell sleeves on it. Love this. Also, next week is Halloween, and you know I love a theme. We just talked about it. I plan to wear like black, white, and orange all week until my costume kicks in. So I thought that was cute. Maybe I can wear this over a dress that I've already worn. Think that through. It's cute, or I could wear it with a skirt, like with something tucked in. That's cute. I was really excited for this next sweater. It's from a brand called Octavia, and it's like kind of sparkly. Can you see that? Kind of sparkly. Sorry, there's no fuzzy on here. it's this blush pink color, just really pretty, but the detail of this little velvet lavender bow, love. Now, normally I would also look into like purchasing the things from my box because you can do that. So for example, this cute sparkly sweater, oh, it's $20 on sale. We might need her. We'll see. I don't want to like purchase something and then have it not fit me, but if I think I could get some months out of this, it's so soft. I do like it. And then I have my accessories in here. I got this bangle bracelet. I'm sorry, I'm showing it to you through the bag. But it has these two like cubic zirconia studs on the end. And I love like daintier bracelets like this. I had one in my tote last week and I literally wore it all week. I showered, slept in it, didn't take it off. And then these are from Kate Spade. These are little fox earrings. I just thought they would be like spice up the week. Those are adorable. And then I also got, and I'm hoping to wear them tomorrow, pending they fit. So Le Tote will take like all of your measurements and your pant sizes, and you use like a thing to measure your body and determine what will work for you based on the brand. So sorry about that technical difficulty. So these are leggings in a size large. Oh, that's not a lot of stretchy room there. So we'll see, but these are these like plaid skinny leggings. Those are cute. And they have this like maroony, I have a maroony sweater. Shout out Haley Clark. That I think I could get away with wearing with this. And then little flats. Traditionally I'd wear jeans, but let's be real, I wore jeans today. Friday Junior. So those are my 3 pieces for the week, and the plan is to like, I'll wear the pants tomorrow, the pink sweaters for this weekend, and then I would wear the outfit with the black and gray sweater on Monday, send my box back Monday afternoon or Tuesday, and then get a new box likely for that following Friday. So just trying to maximize the time that I have with my $60 per month. You know, no waste. Okay, what else? I'm saving my favorite for last because it's the most thoughtful. So this box, oh mama, these might be some books I ordered for Callie for Christmas. Her preschool just had an Usborne book party online. And I won a prize, but I don't think that's what's in here. This is a really large box for the amount of books that I ordered. So I ordered 2 books. I'll show them to you. So I've never heard of these before. These Shine a Light books. I ordered the one that's called Secrets of Winter because I thought it would be really appropriate. But basically, you hold these pages up to light, either with like a flashlight behind it, and then something like comes through the page, like a separate image comes through. So I like this because the text is large. So I love to read to Callie. I'm an English teacher. She loves books so much. But sometimes she doesn't have the attention span for like this on every page. So you can see that it's a lot of text and then 2 lines of text and then kind of looks like poetry. Like this is a longer book, but I also know that when she takes it to bed, she has a flashlight in her room. We call it her brave light. She has a headlamp. I know. She has a headlamp that she wears to bed so that she can read her books in bed. So I thought this was perfect, and I thought maybe Tinsel, our elf on the shelf, could possibly bring this to her like relatively early on. So he brings Callie a book every night, and a lot of them before like I get comments about You're spending so much money. She doesn't need 600 winter books. I know. I rewrap the same ones every year. I'm sorry, Tinsel rewraps the same ones every year. But I'm starting to swap out kind of like the babyish board books and give those to Charlie, my niece, who's 6 months old, and pop in more like books that we can read after Christmas too. So speaking of Christmas, I got one that's called The Nutcracker. So Callie's told me lately that she's really into classical music. This says press to hear the music, but I don't think there are any batteries in here. Oh, there's an on-off switch. She's gonna love this. Okay, we're gonna turn that off. So on every page, there's a button that has music that goes with the Nutcracker. God, I love this so much. The Sugar Plum Fairy. How does it know? Oh, it's this. It's not the same song. Love. She's gonna love this. This is like, that's a big one. That's a big one. Okay, and then the last thing. This video is supposed to be like 3 minutes long. I'm going on 16. The last thing is that I came home and one of my secret true loves of the world that truly makes me filled with joy is fresh flowers. So this was sitting on the counter. Mark must have brought it in. Oh, I love them. It's like pink carnations and roses. Guys, just wait. Are you serious that this is in a white pumpkin? Who knows me this well? My like favorite color, the pumpkin top with baby's breath, and then it's dribbly because I spilled it. But this is in, the vase is a flippin' pumpkin. And so I thought it was Mark, right? I want to give him credit. And he's like, I wouldn't send flowers to the house. He'll bring me flowers home, but why would he pay to have them delivered to the house? So then there was a little card that came with it that said, congratulations on 50 plus. I'm proud of you. I know, and now I know because I messaged her, but my mother-in-law too, aka my sister's mother-in-law, her name's Joanne. She does these random acts of kindness in the month of October, or from October to November. And last night she bought Callie and I dinner. We went out to dinner after gymnastics. And then today I came home and I found this. And I first thought it was my mom because this looks just like my mother's handwriting. And I texted her and she was like, sorry, not me. And then I was like, this has to be Joanne. So I texted her, she confirmed with this emoji. I know it's her. But this is just so thoughtful. It's one of those things like, I don't know, like it seems so silly to get so excited about fresh flowers being delivered in a pumpkin to your house. But like, this is one of those things that I always think, what a thoughtful thing, but I never get to receive. And I just thought this was so sweet. So I have to find a spot for this. Part of me wants to take it to school, but then selfishly, like I want to see it all weekend. I want it to be here in my house. Maybe I'll put it on the coffee table, but I also don't want anyone to touch it. Random acts of kindness. So I hope you're having a lovely evening. I have to go clean the basement. Like, I'm just procrastinating right now. 7:30. I got to go clean the basement and I have to take a shower. But thank you for hanging out with me. That was my Friday Junior unboxing. I wish I got more stuff in the mail. This was fun. Have a lovely evening. Sleep great. And when you wake up, it's Friday. Bye, friends.